Boom. That's gone. What's up guys, it's Ken here. Welcome to another video. So I just want to talk to you guys a little bit with regards to the channel, what to expect from the channel moving forward. If you're new to the channel, make sure you follow me on Instagram and you subscribe to my channel down below. But anyway, going back to my video, I know a lot of you guys are following me because of the Mustang and what mods I'm gonna put in, how loud it's gonna be, what more updates, what, basically just you wanna hear the Mustang, you wanna see how fast it goes, and if it's the right car for you, whatever it may be, whatever brought you to my channel in the first place. I just wanna thank you guys for supporting and, hold on, let me switch hands, my hands are getting tired. So moving forward, the channel will not be limited to just videos about the Mustang, but I can guarantee you that almost 80-90% of the time it's gonna be about the Mustang, what mods, if I went to the track, if I raced somebody. But for days like today, it's about 50 degrees and the sun's out. Guess what? It's a perfect day for a baseball game. So it will actually be my first time going to a baseball game, any baseball game. And this year, there's a lot of talk about the Yankees, Judge, Giancarlo, Stanton. I'm excited. So yeah, I just wanna, share my life with you guys and share my hobbies, not just the car, but through a baseball game, through a basketball game, whatever it may be. So today, I'm actually gonna take you guys with me and my fiance, and we're all going to the Yankee game. Let's go. I don't know if you guys can see this, but my car is absolutely dirty, but it doesn't really stick. Like it's just, and you can just literally just rub it off. And I know a lot of you guys follow me just to hear the Mustang, so this one's for you. One more thing, we actually have really good seats. My fiance does not know this, but I actually got us tickets right behind home plate. The Legend Suites, I think. Of course not, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna put that there. But maybe, you never know. Where are we going again?
We are going...
So we're going to the Yankee game now, and then obviously we're not taking the Mustang with us because we're smart.
We're taking mine.
So we're taking her car.
Which is better. Much better.
If you don't remember, her car is featured a couple of videos back. I'll put a link up.
The white angelic one.
Yeah, Bucky. I'll put a link in the top and then whatever.
And this is spontaneous too.
What's spontaneous?
This trip.
Is it?
So we were supposed to do the usual, which is
movies.
Movie.
Word.
This time we're gonna go to the Yankees because of
Aaron Judge.
Aaron Judge.
She doesn't even know who that is, so just ignore her. Whatever.
Excuse me.
Females in sports.
I do know him, okay? My coworkers and I talk about
yeah,
him.
Okay.
She's been juggling, because she's been a huge
Yankee fan.
And then I think her boyfriend is a
How many
Yankee
quarters
fan.
are in a baseball game, babes?
What?
How many quarters are in a baseball game?
1, 2, 3, 4. Home base, first base, second base, third base, and then home run.
That's exactly what I said. Quarters, not how many corners.
Oh.
Yeah, she doesn't watch baseball.
9 innings.
Doesn't watch baseball. We'll see you guys there. So we just got here and we need to find our seats, section 21. We don't know where it is.
And can't wait.
Let's go. So we get free food apparently. That's crazy. All of this? Yo.
Let's eat.
Yo, we gotta eat all this food? What are we doing?
We are dining in.
Oh no. They have sushi too. They have steak. They have burgers. Free food, bro. They have sushi. They have burgers, free food. Well, it's not free if you're paying for the whole thing, you know what I mean? You didn't even eat it.
Stop.
Food. Perfect. Wow. Wow.
This is the life.
Fat monkey. So we're going to section 21. We have no idea where to go. Row two. Cross.
I can squeeze it in. Playing 3 or 2.
Remember, Jen, you'll be on
Get
it.
this.
It doesn't matter. We're right behind the plate. This is gonna be lit. Oh, we have service. Yeah, we can just order from here. We got all the free food too. It's only up to the 7th inning. Come on, one. Give me one. Give me one. Boom. Foul again. Boom. That's gone. No, never mind. Ah, I'm actually cold.
I'm alright.
Freezing. Cold.
Come on, John! Got this!
So the Yankees lost, guys.
Yankees lost. I get to see Aaron Judge.
Yeah, Aaron Judge sucked tonight. No, he didn't. He got a hit.
Yeah, he did actually.
Stanton got a home run, but he
But
still
he's
lost.
the one who closed the game.
Yeah, which still sucks.
Strike.
Making it on the side street.
Where is
What's
it?
up?
Oh,
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
they're very.
I guess
The
Yankee game meant a lot for them. I don't know. Some way, somehow.
Found their soulmate.
I guess. Anyway, that's it from us.
Because they were the one that caught the
Signing
ball.
out already. This is it. Adios.